Alright. What is lunchroom? Alright. This is that your entrance where you walk come in. So walk come in. Walk go here so. Up there some class. Upstairs, right at a building here. At my classroom. Well, this is up on 9th grade block. That was the first class I was in when I was just came here. Yeah, and over there, that's my class. That one right here, so yeah, that one there my class. This a night at a computer lab. Yeah, then grill it up so they don't steal everything. That's a 9th grade classroom. Yeah, over there is the where we go and buy the box food, eat. Up there is the 10th grade block. Down there is the 11th grade block right there, so right over there, so 11th grade block. Down there, so are the 8th grade block. Yeah, go down the stairs. Woo! Tired already. Alright. 8th grade block. Straight down over there. Yeah, going down the stairs again. Down the stairs, down the stairs, down the stairs, down the stairs. Alright. We're on the 7th grade block. 7th grade block. Yeah. 7th grade. Yeah. Now we're going down by the PE class. No, the PE lab, you know. That's the dean's office right there. Yeah, Dean of Discipline.